Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing tools and making two simple mixes, full strength for opacity and 1 paint to water for washes. Explain why. Opacity covers mistakes, diluted mixes build layers. Once done, load a flat brush with a diluted base and a round brush with concentrated pigment for details. Make sure to keep palette wells shallow so colors dry slowly. Scrape excess paint back into lid. This gets you painting now rather than lingering on setup. You build depth by alternating opaque layers and translucent washes. Start with flat, blocked-in shapes and wait 5–10 minutes to avoid muddying colors. Then apply wet-on-dry for crisp edges and wet-on-wet to soften transitions. This is why control of drying time matters. Once done, refine edges and highlights with a smaller round brush. Make sure to clean brushes between complementary colors to prevent dull mixes. This keeps vibrancy and predictable results. You complete the piece by adding highlights and crisp final marks. Use near white or undiluted paint for punch. Once done, inspect edges and soften any harsh seams with a damp brush and quick strokes. If a mistake persists, lift fresh paint with a clean damp brush or gently scrape small dried blobs. For large errors, paint a thin opaque layer once dry. Make sure to seal the finished poster with a matte spray or clear varnish, only after it is fully dry to protect colors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.